We are proud to announce that we have created an all-new way to get help and documentation about the KMC Commander platform. Now, from right within the platform, you could access the latest documentation, which is all web-based. In the left-hand menu, you can see the Help icon, just above your profile icon. Clicking this Help icon brings up our all-new cloud-based help in a new tab, first showing you the latest announcements from updates and more. With the easy-to-use navigation structure, quickly find information on new enhancements and features at any time. The menu on the left is organized just like our PDF documentation, with a simple expandable menu getting you quickly to the information you need. And with the enhanced search, find what you need even more quickly. We're constantly looking for ways to help you get the most out of KMC Commander, and our all-new cloud-based help is just the latest in that effort and being as responsive and supportive as ever. And never hesitate to reach out to Commander support at kmccontrols.com for that personal touch and unparalleled humor. To learn more about KMC Commander, check out our new help page or our other videos on YouTube. And to find out more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.